Today we are looking at these Project Cloud quality comfort every day for everywhere. Really like these a lot. This is how they come packaged. I usually don't like to show the packaging, but these came packaged really nice. Comes with a nice little note for you as well. This is exactly what they look like. We even have inside right over here, we have something that keeps them nice and firm, which is nice. These have the tag in it over here, and then this one comes like that. So want to give you a really close-up look, and then I'm going to show you what they look like on me. So this is what they look like right over here. Really love this a lot. This is so comfortable. I love this. This is like so comfortable. I can't even, it's exactly like walking on a cloud. When I did try these on, they were absolutely awesome. You got a nice little stitch up here. These are waterproof as well. And then of course we got the bottom here. Really nice. You don't have to worry about slipping or anything like that. Just an absolutely really comfortable pair of slippers. They do fit true to size. I'm gonna go put them on and show you exactly what they look like. All right, here is what they look like on. These are so comfortable. I was a little nervous that these would be a little too hot for me because I'm kind of like a cold person and don't really like a lot of kind of warmth, especially on my feet. But these don't do that. My feet do not sweat or anything like this. They just fit really nice. They fit true to size. I'm a size 13. That's the size I got. I will be wearing these pretty much forever. These are just super comfortable. It is legitimately like walking on clouds. So you're looking for a great pair of slippers or just shoes to wear around the house that are extremely comfortable, definitely check these out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending these over so I can do this review.